How to deposit check in PNC app. Now you can deposit a check in PNC app by simply opening the PNC Bank app first and just making sure to log into your account. So just enter your user ID of your account, and once you enter your user ID, go ahead and then enter your password and tap on the sign in option. Once you sign in, you can simply endorse the check by signing your name on the back with a black or blue ink. You can also write for mobile deposit only, or for mobile only add your bank name and below your signature. Now you can open the app and navigate to the deposit function, which is usually in the app's dashboard or main menu. Select the deposit option, enter the amount of the check, photograph the front and the back side of the check with your signature, select deposit or deposit checks. Now mobile deposits made before 8 p.m. are usually available the next business day. However, funds may be delayed if PNC has reason to believe a check will not be paid, or if your checks deposited on any one business day total $50,000 or more. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.